Hi guys, this is Tammy with Skin by Tammy in Oklahoma City, and this is week 2 of my Skin Games case study, and this is my lovely model, Susan Abel. In the video below, you see me using a hyaluronic acid mask because this week we want to focus on continued correction of aging skin and hyperpigmentation, following the initial corrective stimulation introduced in week 1. The goal of the week 2 was to support the skin's recovery while enhancing oxygenation and hydration and cellular function to optimize the results from the corrective treatment we'd done the week before. At this stage, the skin presented with optimal circulation and tolerance, allowing the treatment plan to advance while still prioritizing barrier support. Key ingredients used during 2-week focus on oxygen, delivery, and skin vitality, including Perfluorodecalin. If I said that wrong, please forgive me. An oxygen-carrying compound known for its availability to enhance oxygen diffusion within the skin's improved oxygen availability, supports cellular metabolism and repair.